असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय शांति शांति शांति. Very good. Slowly come to standing position. We'll start today's session with a slight warm up, beginning with opening up of all of our joints. So this exercise focuses on all the entire arms. So it involves two movements: outward wrist movement, this is the outward wrist movement, and an inward wrist movement. Okay. While doing this movement, make sure the muscles of your arm are completely tensed. Okay. Let's try to do it with the breathing. Okay, both hands in front. Make tight fists, tight hands, all muscles engaged. Inhale. Upon exhalation, go with the outward wrist movement and open. As you inhale, with the inward wrist movement, start bringing the hands inwards. Again, exhale, take the hands out. Make sure all muscles are engaged, as if you're pushing a heavy weight. Okay, as you inhale, come back. Exhale, go out. Inhale back. Very good. And exhale. Stay in position. Next movement, upward downward movement. As you inhale, with outward wrist rotation, start taking your hands up. Complete stretch. Again, inhale. Exhale, back in. Again, inhale, go up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Again, inhale up. Exhale, down. Next movement, downward movement. Okay, get ready, inhale deeply. Exhale, take your hands down. Inhale back up. Exhale, down. Again, inhale up. Make sure all the muscles of your hands are tight. And exhale, down. Inhale up. Now release. Shake your hands. Very good. Now let's go for the next practice, the neck movement. Inhale, lift your head up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. We'll come back to center. Change direction. Inhale, twist your head to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Side movement. Lateral bending of the neck. Inhale deeply. Exhale, bend your head to the right so that the ear is touching the shoulder. Don't raise the shoulder. This is a big no. Keep the both shoulders flat. Inhale up. Exhale to the left side. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale center. Exhale to the right. Take your right hand up. Gently press the neck down. Very good. Slowly come back to center. Similarly to the left side. Left hand up. Sit down. Very good. Slowly release. Very good. Let's go for five rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise rotation. Clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Opposite 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back, center position, and release. Let's go for free rotation of our shoulders now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you keep the elbows straight. Rotate the hands as much back as possible. Rotate your shoulders and then up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's go for forward backward swing, okay? One palm, left palm downwards, right palm upwards. As you swing it, take it up. Again, as you come back, change the position, direction. Swinging of your hands. Slow. Use speed and stop. Very good. Let's go for opening of our hips. Both feet shoulder width apart. Both hands on top of your chest. Okay. Both the palms must be shoulder level. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Twist. Again inhale. Center. Exhale. Twist. Do it in a flow movement. Slow down, slow down, slow down, and gradually come to a halt. Very good. Now take your legs further apart. Okay, both hands out again. Okay, shoulder level, both palms, all fingers together. Inhale, exhale, bend to the right. See, in this position, avoid bending down and going. Try to be absolutely lateral. That way, all the organs here will receive a nice and deep stretch. The pancreas, the liver, all the internal organs. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. And doing with the movement. Slow down, and gradually come to the center. Next, let's go for twisting. Both hands out again. Bend forward, straight. Okay, inhale, exhale, twist. Look up, inhale, center. Again, exhale, twist. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly come up. If you can't bend forward, if you are having some kind of back pain, you can also go with the knees. This. Even with the knees, it's a good modification. Okay? Very good. Okay. So the next practice is a therapeutic practice which is specifically given. It's good to do practice during diabetes. Take both hands up, both feet shoulder level. Take both hands up. Make a pistol like this with 2 fingers up. And make sure you're stretching up nicely. Okay? Inhale. Turn to the right. Exhale down. See if you can touch the right toe, the left toe, and twist. And again come up. With the breath. Inhale as you're moving against gravity. Exhale while you're moving with gravity. And keep both knees steady. Reverse movement. Back and release. Bring your both feet closer. You can close your eyes, relax for a few seconds. Very good. Let's go for one final warm up. Ankle stretch breathing, both hands to the side. Inhale, take your hands up. Come onto your toes. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. I want you to place both hands on the knees. Go for 10 rounds of fire breathing. Inhale deeply from the nose. Exhale from the mouth. At the same time contracting the abdomen. Again inhale back. Continue. Very good. Slowly come back. Now our body is nicely warmed up and heated up. Now when we go for asanas, we'll find maximum benefit. Let's start with some basic postures. Standing postures, both feet together, both hands to the side of the body. Go for Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Turn the palm to the sky, raise your hand further up. Bicep touching the ear. Inhale deeply here again. Exhale, bend to the left. Keep this hand pushed out, don't let it loose. Keep this hand pushed out. Make sure that you're getting maximum stretch here, maximum compression here. Okay? Try to keep your knees straight. Stay there and breathe. Try to point the chest to the sky. If it's possible. Try to breathe. Very good. Slow inhale, come up. Exhale down. Very good, excellent. On the left side, left hand up 90 degrees. Turn your palm to the sky. Take your hand further up, bicep touching the ear. Give one final stretch, push up here. Extend the whole left trunk. Inhale again. Exhale, laterally bend to the right. Keep this hand straight. Don't let the elbow slack. Keep it straight. Stay and breathe. Slowly come up. Very good. Exhale. Take the hand down. Nice and slow. Very good. Take both feet out. Next, let's go for Konasana. Whoever is having back pain or some disc issues, I would suggest not to bend fully. So this asana is like both feet should be shoulder width. First, I'll demonstrate. Both hands by the back, this way, clasped, fingers clasped in a fist lock. Okay, as you roll the shoulders out, stretch the hands up, look up, inhale, and exhale with a straight back. With a straight back, you're coming down. Okay, those who have back pain, they can go with both hands forward, just half bend, and here try to push your hips out, push the hips out, and try to pull the stomach in, and try to breathe deeply. Others can go for the full one. Stay there. Very good. Slowly inhale. And come up. Release. Come back. Very good. Let's go for our basic standing posture. Trikonasana, triangle posture. Both feet approximately 3 feet between each other. Right leg out 90 degrees. Both your heels must be in one line. It's a very, very important asana for diabetes. Okay? If you cannot bend forward so much, sideways so much, you can use a chair as well for support. Okay? So, second. So, my right leg is out 90 degrees. The chair is on the outside of my right leg. Both hands out. Inhale, exhale, bend to the right, place your palm on the chair, take the left hand out. Okay? You should not avoid twisting the hip and bending sideways to pull now. This will spoil the effect. You have to keep the hips absolutely lateral. The spine is absolutely lateral. It's not forward nor backward. Okay? Absolutely lateral. Both hands in one line. Just breathe. Very good. Slowly inhale, come up. Turn the right leg out. Turn the right leg in. Turn the left leg out. Inhale. Exhale. Go down to the left side. Try to keep both hands in one line. Try to twist your chest to point to the sky. In that twist, you will get much more compression on the internal organs. Breathe. Very good. Slowly come back. Turn the left leg in. Release. Slowly sit down. Sit down. Legs out. Shake both legs. Very good. Next posture. Sitting down posture, see if you can come to Vajrasana. Vajrasana, both the big toes overlapping on top of each other, knees together, back straight. If you can't sit like this, you can also sit on the chair or you can sit cross-leg position. Any position is fine. Okay, let's go for Mandukasana, also known as frog posture. Take two fists, also helps with kidney stones and diabetes. Put your thumbs in, make two strong fists. Take the both hands, exhale, pull the abdomen in, dig the palms in, and exhale. Inhale deeply, exhale. Slowly bend forward. Very good. Slowly inhale. Come back to center. Release. Stick the legs out. Both legs forward. Shake. Relax. Very good. Next posture. We'll go for sitting forward bend. Both palms by the side of the body. Both feet straight, back straight. Inhale, take your both hands up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Again exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Grab your toes. Here, one very important thing if you want therapy benefit is don't use the hands, don't make a round with the upper back. Try to keep the back straight. Try to push the chest out, pressing the abdomen into the thighs. So you can just hold here. Keep the back absolutely straight. Don't have to go forward. Therapeutic benefit, keep the back straight. Continue to breathe deeply. Make sure the abdomen is pressing into the thighs as you are bending forward, keeping your back straight. Very good. Slowly grab somewhere and just relax the posture. Very good. Slowly come back. Center. Please lie down on your back. Shavasana. A few seconds. Very good. Let's go for the next posture. Setu Bandhasana. With both heels in, both palms beside the floor. As you inhale, lift the hips up. Make sure the buttocks are squeezed. Pushing the hips up further. Stay here and breathe. Very good. Exhale. Slowly bring the hips down. You can bring your knees on top of the chest. Give a gentle massage. Very good. Slowly release. Relax just for a few seconds. Very good. Let's go for the next posture known as Jatara Parivartasana. Take your right leg up, both hands out. See if you can bring the right leg to the left palm. Turn the head opposite direction. Right leg up. The right leg over to the left side. See if you can place it into the left palm. Jatara Parivartasana. Stay there. As you're breathing, feel the compression in the abdomen. Very good. Slowly up and down right leg. Slowly inhale, left leg up. Exhale, bring it down. onto the right hand. Turn the head towards the left side. Relax in the posture. Very good. Slowly. Lift it up. Down. Relax. Shavasana 50 seconds. Very good. Slowly turn your body. Come onto the belly. Make a pillow with your palms. Right or left cheek on the palms. Very good. Next posture. Dhanursasana. Forehead on the mat. Grab your ankles with your hands. First, as you inhale, lift your knees up. First, lift the knees up. Then, two, kick the legs, and from the ankles, kick the legs. Then, raise the chest up and the head up. See if you can rock forward, backward gently. Massaging your abdomen. Along with the breath, as we inhale, you rise up, exhale down. Very good. Exhale down. Release. Very good. Fully placing both palms on the mat. Lift your body up. Give your body a nice cat stretch, full stretch. Final posture. Go for Vakrasana. Okay. Both feet spread out. Right leg bent at the knee. Right hand back to support. Left hand up and over. Twist, hook the left hand outside the right knee. See if you can grab the toe. If you can't, just keep it this way. Make sure that the back is straight. Don't lean forward. Make sure back is straight. Chest is pushing out. Turn the head, look over the right shoulder. Creates immense pressure in the abdominal viscera. Very good. Slowly release the right leg forward. Left leg bent at the knee. Left hand back for support. Right hand up and over, crossing over. Keep your back straight and twist. Slowly turn the head forward, back, knees, backs. Gradually lie down on your back. Shavasana. Final relaxation. For the next 2 to 3 minutes, don't move your body. Keep your body absolutely still. All the muscles loose. Just observe your breath, how it is flowing in and flowing out of your body. Along with it, the movement of the abdomen. As you inhale, abdomen is rising up. As you exhale, abdomen is dipping down. Just focus your attention on that abdominal movement. Just let the whole body relax. All your joints are relaxed. All the internal organs are relaxed. Your mind